Hello everyone. In this video we will take a look at how we can create the Figma logo with the help of Tailwind CSS. So if I search for Figma logo on Google and then I click on images here, so we will create this one. So to do that I will head over to play.tailwindcss.com. So here this is a playground for Tailwind. We don't really have to install anything. So we can just start by typing the Tailwind CSS classes. So I will remove this boilerplate and then let's start by creating the division with min height screen and min width screen, and I will use flex, justify, center, and then item center. Okay. And after that let's add a new div and I will use grid. Let's use grid equals 2. So if you see, we can make use of grid for this. So these can be 2 columns and 3 rows. So we don't really have to define the rows here, but let's define the width. Let's say 32, and then we will also make the height 16 and width also 16 for these columns. So if I have done grid equals 2, we don't really have to define width again. So if I do grid here div 16, height 16, and let's add bg red, I will add 500. Okay, and if I do this, so you can see I have this rectangle here. So if I copy paste it 5 times, so you can see we have shape something like this. So this is very similar to this, and now I can change this to, let's say, 300, and let's use the third one and make it purple, and this could be blue and green. So we can do blue, green. Okay, so this is already taking the shape. So now let's make the first one rounded on the left and the second one rounded on the right. So we can use the classes here, rounded L full. Okay, and this one can be rounded right full. Okay, and the next one, this is rounded left full, and this one can be rounded full, and the last one can be rounded left, and then we have the rounded on the bottom right. So we can do rounded left full, rounded bottom right full. Okay, so here we have it. So this is a Figma logo. So let's also see how we can maybe wrap it something like in this container. So I will actually wrap this area in another div. So then I will add a class here. So let's add width of 64, and I will add height of 64, and I will also add bg gray 900. Well, let's make it 700. Okay, so to center this we can make use of these classes again. Okay, and to make it rounded I will add rounded, then XL. Okay, maybe let's make it 3XL. Okay, so here you have it. So now this is looking like this. Yeah, so this is how we can make the Figma logo very easily with the help of Tailwind CSS.